Hello, I am Kamruddin. I am a motivational speaker and author. I have written 8 motivational books, some fictions and some non-fictions. I have posted videos about table tennis in English language, shero shairi, attitude means point of outlook, perspective, vantage point, and a positive attitude means bright outlook. It is important in life, so we should always maintain our attitude in a positive. Positive attitude means bright outlook, and it is very important. It improves relationship. It makes our life happy and successful. We are unique creation of God. It is. God has given us so many controls. It is our life. So, and what we feel and how we behave is always control. And we have control to make our attitude positive. We are masters of our destiny. एटीट्यूड मीन्स नज़रिया. नज़रिया बदल दो और हालात बदल जाएंगे, सिचुएशंस चेंज हो जाएंगी नज़रिया के हिसाब से. इफ़ यू चेंज द वे यू लुक एट द थिंग्स यू लुक एट begin to change. So, how you can change your attitude and keep your attitude positive? Here are a few ways. Morning routine is very important. You should start your day by setting intention. And you should visualize how the day is going to unfold in front of you. You should say, thank you God, I woke up alive, active and joyful. I am making the best of this day. Another way to maintain a positive attitude is to carry an attitude of happiness. Relish small pleasures. Enjoy life, every moment. Be present in the moment and enjoy every moment of your life. Smile and laugh often. Smiling releases endorphin, dopamine, and serotonin. These are called happy chemicals. So smile and laugh often when you meet somebody and when you interact with somebody. Upload positivity in your life. Upload positivity in your brain. Read positive literature, lyrics. Watch positive movies which give you pleasure, happiness, and which make you happy. Taking responsibility is another way to remain positive and develop positive attitude. It is your life. What you think, feel, and become is your responsibility, and you should feel this responsibility. You should always say, I am in charge of my destiny, because it is our life. Another way is to be proactive. Be proactive by choosing your attitude, maintaining it throughout. Change your thoughts. If you're feeling negative, change your thoughts. Think positively. Your attitude depends on your thoughts. So positive thoughts lead to positive attitude, and maintain that positive attitude by thinking positive. Having purpose is very important for developing and maintaining positive attitude. Without purpose, you will move like a rudderless boat. So purpose is very important for positive attitude. Focus is very important. You should have positive focus. You should be optimist. You should be a tough-minded, dynamic optimist. You should always keep brighter picture of your future mind. So focus is very important. Another way to have a positive attitude is to stop expecting life to be easy. Life is not easy. It is not a bed of roses. Get ready for unexpected. Anything may happen to you. What happens to you is not in your hand, but how you respond is always in your hand. Another way to be positive and to remain positive is to develop enthusiasm. Always be enthusiastic and full of energy. Always expect good things. Thank you, God. Say, thank you, God. I woke up alive, active and joyful. I am making the best of this day. This is a wonderful day. Thank you, God. Another way to remain positive and have a positive attitude, intentions, and visualize nice day ahead. To start with, meditate, relax, and then set intention of the day, and then visualization how the day is going to unfold. Another way to remain positive is to watch your words, what you are speaking. Are you enthusiastic? Are you positive all the time? So what you speak is very important. Say, to do, be, and manifest my best. So you should always try to remain positive while speaking, because words are very important. Sense of humor is very important. You should watch movies which have sense of humor. You should share literature, movies, and the items which give you laughter and happiness. Humor is very important in life. For developing attitude of gratitude and positive attitude, it is important that we should be grateful to God. We should express our gratitude to God, and we should express gratitude to so many persons helping us. So gratitude important. We should do gratitude walk. During walk we can express our gratitude at every step, and write a gratitude journal. That is also very helpful. In this journal you should write for which you are grateful for, for your blessings, for so many things God has given you. For developing positive attitude of curiosity is also important. Curiosity means you should be eager to learn from so many things, from so many sources. So if you are eager to learn, you learn a lot of things, you will have positive attitude, an attitude of curiosity. How we interact and with whom we interact is also important for positive attitude. So interact with those persons who already have positive attitude. So selection of such type of persons is also important for developing positive attitude. Another thing is be present in the moment. If you are present in the moment, we will not be thinking about past and future. We will concentrate here in this moment, and we should be in control of the positive attitude. Meditation and relaxation are very important for body and mind. If we are relaxed, our thoughts will be under our control. Then when our thoughts are under our control, we can easily control our attitude and we can maintain and develop positive attitude. Developing and having positive attitude, habit of thinking of solution is very important, because when we are worried, our mind is not working properly, and when we think of solutions, we are in the right direction. We are able to control our thoughts and ideology. So when you are worried, find out what is the cause of the problem, what are the best solution, and then when you get best solution, you should try to implement in that solution in the present moment. In that case, you will be full on your mind and you will have a positive attitude. For having and developing positive attitude, affirmations are very important. So try to affirmations, practice them time to time. Some affirmations are very good, like day by day, through the grace of God, I am getting better and better. I be, I do, I manifest my best every time. If you change the way you look at the things you look at begin to change. So affirmations are very important. You should practice them time to time till your subconscious takes over. So these are the ways you can maintain and have a positive attitude. So we have discussed, have a morning routine, carry an attitude of happiness, smile and laugh often, upload positivity to your brain, take responsibility, be proactive, change your thoughts, have a purpose, focus on good things of life, stop expecting life to be easy, keep up your enthusiasm, intentions and visualize, watch your words, use power of humor, be grateful, of curiosity, interact with those with positive attitude, be present in the moment, meditation and relaxation, thinking of solution and affirmations. So these are the things which are helpful in maintaining